In this session, we are going to we'll start with the installation, then with few examples. So and navigation methods. Just give me a
Okay.
moment.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start with the installation. So actually, there are two ways to install the Selenium into your local system. So as we discussed in last session, so first we will install the Selenium through two methods. First method will be just go to CMD and just click on run as administrator. Then this will run. So once it is done, you need to execute the command to install space Selenium. So this is the command which you need to execute in the command prompt. This is the first method. So if it is, so in my system it is already got installed. That's the reason it is saying required already satisfied. So this is the first method, and the second method into the ID. So first you need to go to the file, then settings, click on that, then navigate to the navigate to your project, then interpreter. Select your interpreter. So this is your interpreter. These are the packages which are uh, appended or you can say attached to your project. So these are the packages you can get used. So here in search bar, you need to select Selenium. Just type the word Selenium and just click on install package. You need to select this Selenium, then you need to click on the install package. It will take a while to get installed, and for what is installed, it will update the interpreter, your Python interpreter,
Hello,
so
sir.
that that package can be used throughout your
Not
project.
visible.
Yes.
Screen is not visible, sir.
Oh, sorry. Okay, my mistake. I will share this. Okay, no worries. Whatever missed content, you can check out in the channel. So as we can say, as I said, you need to once the because this has been already took up in last session. So let's skip this step. Just click OK. So here, if you want to check whether the Selenium package has been installed project or not, you can check out the packages over here. If you go over here after the see here Python 4.13.0 has been installed, and the latest version is 4. Uh, it got installed 4.2.49. 4.14 is the latest version which I am trying to see here. Here, grade text is already shown as 4.14. So it got installed. Just let me close this. See here, if you see now, this is how you need to install the Selenium package into your ID. So here installation is done. So once I'll take a few examples. One example with navigating methods. There are three navigation methods in Selenium. So what are those three? The first one will be not only three, I can say four actually. So first one will be get method. The second one is back, and the next one is forward, and the last one is refresh. These are the four navigation methods which we will discuss in this session. So for this, let me create a new file, Python file, and make sure your WebDriver has been installed into your inherited into your project. So this is navigation methods. So I'm naming this as navigation methods. So the first one. So for this, what we should do? We should first import the Selenium package from our inbuilt library. From Selenium, Selenium import WebDriver. So I have successfully imported the WebDriver from the Selenium. Once it is done, then I need to initialize the WebDriver so that which I need to download the appropriate driver from the browser. You can download it from the browser. Here I have already downloaded for the edge driver. See, you can see here web driver. There is a directory name called web underscore driver underscore edge. Sorry, web driver underscore edge. In this, I have pasted my exe file over here. You can get it this ms edge driver.exe file from the from the official Selenium official website. So this is the driver which you need to get downloaded from the official website. So once the package has been imported into your project, then the thing which you need to do, you need to create one variable. That is, let's say in my case, I'm creating a driver named variable. Driver, you can take any name, guys. Even you can take any dummy or this is a variable name, right? So that can be anything. So now I go with WebDriver dot. So so edge. In my case, I'm taking now edge. So it is done. So I have called the edge driver automatically. So I have initialized the. Now I need to get the first navigation URL. Let's say we will navigate from Amazon and Flipkart. These two are the website. First, I'll take the any one URL by taking the, let's say I'm naming this as URL one as URL one. I need the URL for this. Let me open up the browser. So let's say for an example, Amazon. So let's pick up this URL. HTTPS. This is the first URL which I will take from the web. First, this will open up this URL. So it just the URL, but you need to get this driver get get URL. What is the URL? URL1 in which variable it got stored into. You can give directly this URL. You can pass this entire URL as a parameter to this get method. For you, I'm making easier so that I'll take the URL of a website and I'll store it in a variable. Then I'll call that variable using a get method from the driver method, which is a variable for the this web driver for the Selenium. Get it? And now I need to perform the actions on the. This is the first action. Now I'll go with the second action. That is, I'll take one more. So I'll take the second URL. Let's say Flipkart. triple W. Let me open this. This is the second URL which I will use in my script. So this is my second URL. So again I need to call it get method and then URL 2, right? So that's so simple. Now two URLs has been passed to the script. Once it is done, now we need to perform the action on the second page, which means getting the data and interacting with the elements. Now I'll use the navigation methods. First, I have opened Amazon URL, then in the second URL. Once it opens the second URL, so let me execute this code first. So after this, I want the, I want to close all the tabs which got opened, and for that I'll add say for let's say 5 seconds. Um, so for this we need to import the here already one when I use this URL it automatically imported the type package from the Selenium. So let me run this. So I have run it. So first it needs to open the Amazon website, then it should open the Flipkart website, then it should wait for 5 seconds, then it should quit the window. This is the thing which needs to be done. So browser got opened, Amazon, then Flipkart, right? Then there are two URLs which you are passing from 1 to 2. Let's say I want to go back to the Amazon again. So for this, after after navigating to Flipkart, you need to use the, as I said, we will discuss about three methods. Get is done, back, forward, refresh. Okay. So let me first the first one is get is done. Then I'll go back to the driver dot back. So this will goes back from Flipkart to Amazon again. If I run this now, just check this out. Let's wait for another 2 seconds. Yeah, browser got invoked Amazon.com. Now it came back to Flipkart, and again it is going back to Amazon. Right? We did not do anything. It automatically went back. First it opened Amazon, then Flipkart, then again it went back to the Amazon, which means back method has been done. Now again I want to, so as of now here this command will go back to the Amazon, right? So then again I want to step step forward to Flipkart. For this I need to use the forward method. So this will goes to Flipkart, right? So let's run this, whether this will happen or not. So at last we should be in Flipkart page. Let's see. Sorry for that, guys. Since 2 days I'm not feeling because of cold and flu. So that's the reason I skipped today's class. So first it got open Amazon, then it opened Flipkart. Then again because of back method it should go back to Amazon. Again it came back to Flipkart. You're getting? Let's
Yeah.
not get confused. I'll add the timer for each and every method. Let's run
So
this again by
here I got
playing the
one doubt, Hussein.
same. Yeah, tell me that.
Hello. Uh, Actually, you're using Amazon Flipkart, right? If you open nearly
Mm,
3 4 websites, then if you
mm,
use a forward method, then it will forward to
mm.
one website, or it will forward to starting website.
Anything, whichever the
No, no,
instance
I'm asking.
which got,
If you are using forward, it will go
let's
to
say,
one step
another tech.
forward, or
For your sake, I'm taking up another web page. Let's say Snapdeal.
Myntra.com or something else. Yeah, Snapdeal. Okay, no.
Yeah, anything.
Yeah. My doubt is forward means one step forward, or starting website it
Yeah,
will come.
only one step.
Only one step.
Yes,
Okay.
one step only. Mm. Let's say now I have tested the. So here
Mm.
I'll move to driver dot get method, get off that particular URL.
Okay.
So now it will get open. So after every URL, I'll have a time, uh, sleep time for 2 seconds. So it will be very convenient to explain. For 2 seconds. Once it is done, then again for the third URL, 2 seconds. So first, after it will after this, so this is the third URL. At last, the browser will holds this URL, right? The browser window will holds the
Snapdeal.
current URL will be Snapdeal. So
Yeah.
if I invoke the back method after Snapdeal, it will goes to Flipkart, not to the Amazon,
Okay. Okay.
right? As per this logic,
Understood.
it will from the URL 3 to URL 2. So
Okay.
again, if I invoke the forward method,
Hmm.
it will come back to the
Snapdeal.
Snapdeal.
Okay.
Okay. So here, let's say again driver dot from Snapdeal to I want to go back. I want to go back to the Amazon from Snapdeal to Amazon. So two times I
Okay.
need to invoke the back method. Back, which means now this will be in Flipkart, right? Then
Hmm.
again, I want actually my aim is to go back to the Amazon. So driver
Okay.
dot back, where now this homepage will be now our homepage will be Amazon. Okay, let's try this. So I'll give the timer for 2 seconds. Okay, let's try this. So at last we should be in Amazon. Okay, that's
Okay.
our ultimate output. Browser got invoked. So for your better understanding, so Amazon got opened. First URL, then second URL. After 2 seconds, after 2 seconds, it will goes to the Flipkart. Now the first URL got invoked. Amazon. Okay. From Amazon to Flipkart, this is second URL. After 2 seconds, it will go to the Snapdeal. See here, it is going to Snapdeal. So Snapdeal got opened. After taking the slip for 2 seconds, it will again the back method will invokes and it will revert back to the Flipkart. See here. Now here we should get the Flipkart after 2 seconds. So Snapdeal, after 2 seconds, it will go back to the Flipkart. So it should have, see here, it came to Flipkart. Now again forward, it has to go back to the Snapdeal now. Then again, now we are in this thread. So after invoking the back, it should go back to the Flipkart again. Just wait for another 2 seconds because it do the browser it do download all the elements which are present in the Snapdeal web page. So it will wait until all the elements are. See now after 2 seconds it came to Flipkart. Again after that at last it should go back to the Amazon. Yes, it went to the Amazon. Then after 2 seconds it has been the driver.quit method will the quit method will closes all the tabs. Okay, this is a very simple example, guys. That you need to be practice a lot. Okay, have you got any doubts? Anybody?
No, sir.
Others? If not, that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we'll come up with another few other methods. So these are that's all about the navigation methods, guys. So navigation methods, which will includes forward. So refresh method we haven't discussed refresh method, right? Refresh is nothing but it will just refreshes the current page. Let's say okay. Let me take the same example. So it will after Amazon. So let me comment all these after first method. I'm commenting this. So for this driver dot refresh. So this will reloads the Amazon page again. Let's run this. After 2 seconds, it will closes the tab. Let's run this. So what does a refresh method does? It will just reloads the current web page. Let's look into it with after running this. So browser it will launch. The browser has got launched and it has passed the Amazon. See, if you see after 2 seconds, this is right? Right? See here.
Yeah.
Okay. After 2 seconds, this will get closes automatically. Right? Okay. This is the very basic navigation methods in Selenium. Anybody got any doubts?
No, sir.
Or else we will wind up the session and tomorrow we will come up with a few other